Hello everyone and welcome to another video from Yup Games. This one is going to continue for where I left off last week, which was the mob spawning. But before doing that, I fixed some issues that I had with the game that were really annoying for me when I was testing things around. The first one is, if you move around, you would see that the player gets stopped when new world is generated, when new chunks are generated. And this was something that was really annoying for me when I was recording videos. So I decided to fix this. Normally I don't work on optimizations early on because I prefer to add more features and then refactor those, but this one was really annoying for me. And the other one that I added, I will display those afterwards, is the fact that if you move in the cardinal directions, like up, down, right, and left, it has the same speed. But if you move diagonally, it's faster. This is a normal issue that you have in games when you start playing, when you start creating games. But yeah, I fixed that also. So let's see how it looks like right now. So this is the new version of the game, and you can see that it moves in the same direction. If you go up, down, right, and left, and diagonally, it moves in the same direction. And what you can also see is that the world gets generated as I move without the player stopping around. As before, I had the player was stopping before. Now the player gets the world gets generated around the player. The other thing that I added, which you could maybe see around, is that the mobs that I have around, they're moving. So instead of being just static generated in a specific coordinate, now they try to move around. If there's no player to pathfind to, they try to move around in the world. So that's also adds more life to it. But when I was working with this, I found out that basically the pathfind algorithm that I have, it's a bit slow compared to what I would like to. So when mobs start to pathfind to you, you get really the FPS gets really low. So it's really noticeable. So right now I'm trying to figure out which are the issues that I have instead of adding more logic to the mob spawn and for example that they attack and so on. The next thing that I'm trying to do right now is try to make it so this is not that noticeable for the player. So when they try to pathfind to you, so it's easy to see that they have a few issues when they try to pathfind to you, and it's noticeable that the world gets much slower around you. So these are the things that I will try to fix. Instead of adding new features, I will try to fix those that I have right now because it's basically unplayable right now. So I prefer to fix those and then extend on those than to leave them as it is because it's not that useful. So yeah, I didn't have time to do much more, so it's gonna be shorter. But basically, working on optimizations, it's always something that it's harder because you have to do a lot of try and error and find which is the best solution to the optimization that you want to apply, and also see if that optimization actually is an optimization compared to what you had before. So yeah, that's what I did, and thank you very much, and like and subscribe. See ya, bye.